be formless, shapeless, like water. Now you put water into a cup, it becomes the cup be water, my friend.
Hello, I am Carlor, and today we're going to be training with the bostaff. Carlor is a Kungfu warrior from ancient times, and he will teach you many things about smashing things. He will teach you how to smash things with the bostaff. It'll be easy. Watch. Carlor gets tired from fighting all the villains from Carlor gets tired sometimes of fighting all the future ninjas that come to attack the city, but he doesn't get tired. Anyway, have you ever wanted to learn the bostaff, but you just couldn't stick with it? Well, Carlor can teach you a couple things about how to take on all of your enemies with the bostaff. He'll teach you today. Lesson number 1. Fight 360 degrees. Carlor has been protecting the United States of America since before it ever was even the United States. Carlor has been around for a long time. Carlor wants to teach you how you can smash things with the bostaff. He can teach you all the ancient Kung Fu knowledge for centuries. Carlor was one of the first to learn the ways of the shaolin. Carlor is not afraid. Carlor's power levels, it's not even fun. You know, nothing's a challenge. Nothing's a challenge anymore. Carlor wants to teach you how to take down all of your enemies with the bostaff. It should be easy once you learn this technique. Remember the 360 degree attack formation. Your enemy is not going to attack you from straight on. He will most likely come from right behind you. You strike them with a 360 degree strike. Like this. You get the idea. Some people might ask, can you actually fight? Well, I'll show you. Watch this. See that? That should prove you wrong. I know how to fight. Carlor bleeds red, white, and blue. If he bled, Carlor does not bleed. I've never seen him. Carlor wants to teach you a couple of things with the nunchucks. In my last video, I made nunchucks, and I said they were adjustable, but I never explained how they were adjustable. It's a 7-link chain, and I undid this quick link, and I just took the chain, bent it in half, and connected it to itself. So you can see here's the two ends of the chain. I tried to make it as close as I could to a hand width because most nunchucks are actually shorter. I went with long, but to learn the hand flip, you gotta go like this. And it's easier to do when you have shorter chains. With the long chain, I couldn't do that. The figure 8, we all know this one, but then you go to side, right? Then over the head, then around the neck. You gotta catch it though. do the around the neck move, I like to do this first because it gets me ready to go around the head. Just like that. Then I want to make contact with my hand up against my neck and try to shoot the nunchucks in front of me, like this. First I go like that, down here, and then like that. Then I'm gonna try to catch it. Fluid. Just trying to stop Carlor is like trying to stop a lightning bolt. It can't be done. Carlor has to do fire staff every night to power up. It keeps the crystal inside his staff alive. Don't forget to keep practicing. Silence your mind. Become a pendulum. Focus your chi energy. You are now a grandfather clock. On a real note, ever since I started practicing the bostaff again, like more frequently, my wrist problem has gone away. It helps. It keeps me in shape, keeps me happy. Carlor is at his strongest, his prime physical peak. If you like what you see, please hit subscribe, hit the like button, and do all those things. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. And here's the end screen. It'll show you more videos to watch. I'm trying to get 500 subscribers, so I need to get a lot of views too, I think. So thanks again, bros. You guys are the best.